Bang. Oh my gosh! You're so dramatic. What? What doing?
It's stirring like a late barista about to snap because the spoon won't reach the bottom.
She is mine! Oh, my Joby. Oh, Mama loves Joe. I love you, Joe. You're such a good boy.
Tequila! What are you doing? It's 10 o'clock at night. Oh my God, go to bed. It's way too late for this.
Health tip from a bird. It echoes your cough louder than you do.
This is her screaming corner.
She's me in a 3 p.m. Zoom meeting.
You crazy girl.
Everyone needs a cream
You are
puff to vent
crazy.
to.
Eh.
I swear parrots think all human snacks belong to them.
Peekaboo! 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 Can I have a kiss? Let me kiss.
The way grown men love tiny animals is so pure. I love it.
Who do you think you are? I don't know who you think you are, but I'm not the one.
Everyone hates being caught
I'm
early
not the one,
except this
baby.
guy.
Keep keep it up. And see what happens. It's gonna come back.
She and the parrot are so inseparable that they can't be apart for even a second.
So nasty. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come here.
拍，啾，啾，使劲点，啾，啾，这啾，嘿嘿。
Yes, this guy is creating music even while begging for food.
No.
Ew, I forgot.
A truly perfect and must-see duet performance.
Hot dog. She's like, why are you eating hot dogs?
La 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 la. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. 不要。
This is how a parrot will respond if you call it. It's quite dramatic.
Yeah, this is all.
What you doing, baby? I love you. You looking good. You looking good.
When your girlfriend is so adorable that you simply can't stop loving her.
No. Stop. No. Stop.
When you dream of dancing, no music can stop you. Passion is unstoppable. His secret move: copy the opponent and turn it into an advantage.
Yes.
This outfit deserves a slow, confident catwalk.
Naughty.
Rio is auditioning for a talk show, while the Parrot co-host is completely confused.
Rio, play Peekaboo. Play Peekaboo. Ooh. Ooh. Peekaboo.
When your parrot knows it's the cutest in the kitchen, it's obsessed.
I think he wants your hand over there. It's your hand. I told you, it's your hand.
If the mouse moves, I dance. That's my birdie scoring system. This is why you can't even record. There's always chaos. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you had a relaxing and enjoyable time. If you found the content helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our latest videos. See you in the next one.